They used to be cop in all Quebec.
They got the mold for the car they wreck.
Then they screw up a big robbery and lets the wrong bad guy go free.
And the chief got mad and made them go
To the woodland of Ontario
to be forest patrol.
Now they climb a spruce and thank the goose. They drive canoes and flip canoes. They ride a moose, got a few screw loose. They work for Bruce, they're the forest patrol. That's called the laws of nature.
Plus, they are really good guys.
Oh, really good, eh?
Plus, the best.
Hello. This is Pierre-Yves Castonguay, ex-cop, now forest patrol. We receive a call that's report disturbing the peace. So I'm going to investigate. It appeared that some crazy drunk man is throwing garbage in the air and yelling a lot of swear word. Yell, swear. So I go to talk and teach him about the ecosystem and also to the respect for the other and especially for the planet. That's important, number one, respect for that planet. After all, this is the nature, and we are the laws, therefore, the laws of nature. Okay, is that him? Oh my God. Okay, it's time like that I wish I had my gun. Let's go and see if this guy is danger or if he is a joke. Hello, monsieur. Sir, is there a problem here?
Forgot, the only problem is assholes
Okay,
like
hey,
you.
slow, don't throw thing at me.
Get
I will
out.
take you down.
You're a friggin'
Okay?
dick shit.
Okay, dick. Okay, now you ask for it, Albert. Albert, I'm off campsite 12. I need backup.
Hey, can a freaking
Okay,
guy...
no, slow down.
Can
You
a
cannot-
freaking guy have a target and throw shit
No,
at
you
it or
cannot
not?
trick it public.
This is-
It is illegal, okay?
Yeah. Well, I've been setting up that target for the last friggin' day. and
Target?
You're not letting me throw this at it?
Target, what for you talk,
Let
man?
me throw this at it.
Okay, don't do it. I will take you down.
Oh, yeah.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, that's it. That's it.
Ow,
I will take you
hey,
down.
look, I don't even care. I don't even care.
Get down.
I don't even care.
Get down.
I don't even care.
Okay?
I don't even
If
care.
you resist me, you play with me, you get the fist.
I'm
Okay?
drunk. I'm drunk.
Like that.
I'm drunk.
Don't mess around, okay?
All right.
Now, what's for you do here? It is illegal to
I don't
trade.
even care what you think anyway, frig ass, because I lost Brenda in the winter. And
Brenda?
Yeah.
Was is she your wife?
No. She's my sled.
Your slut?
My friggin' snowmobile, dick ass, is at the bottom of friggin' Lake Nipissing, fuck dick.
Okay, that's enough swear
I don't
for
even
now.
care.
Okay, now.
Hey, without her, without my sled, it's like without my friggin' soul, so shut your dick ass hole, fuck dog.
Listen, we are going to call the police. That's enough for you today.
I'm
No.
drunker than a friggin' fish in Simcoe, and I'll bet you'll beat you in a competition.
Okay, competition
I'll bet
with
you in
me?
a competition.
What's for you talk?
Okay, you gotta give me my beer back if I beat you.
That's okay. What's the I don't play games.
Push-up competition, dick fuck.
Push up?
Yeah. If I beat you in a push-up competition, you gotta let me have my brew.
You want to do push up with me?
You gotta let me have my brew.
Look at this.
You gotta let me have my
Okay,
brew.
monsieur, go ahead, my friend.
Okay,
I
right
can
here,
do push up
fucko.
until next week. I will show you the true form of push up. Nice try. Get go start. Okay?
All right, look. If I do push-ups longer than you, I get my brew.
Okay, you just
Starting at
start to
one.
go now, and
One.
you get your beer.
Right
Okay?
on.
Nice try.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2,
Three,
3,
four,
4. The beer is
five,
mine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can do this all day, buddy. All day, and the beer will be mine. 1, 2. Hey, monsieur. Hey, monsieur drunk. Hey, before you go. Albert, I'm of campsite 12. I need backup. The drunker drunkie is gone.
Pierre was a good cop and is a good forest patroller. The one thing I worry about is that sometime instead of talk,
he go right to the violins. And I don't mean like zigga zigga zigger. I mean like the fists.
Okay. Trick you on that one. Trick you on. Want another piece of me, eh, fuck dick?
He is also the reason that we are kicked off the force, because he tells the boss, our whole chief, he say it was my fault that we got lost. The robber stole all the cash, and we let him go because we thought he was the mayor. But he wasn't. He was just a guy, you know, with no shoes on. But you see a guy in a tank top and no shoes walking around, and there's no reason why he can't be the mayor.